In this series, we're discussing the prescription for coughing. And when we deal with coughing, we have to do 4 things simultaneously. First of all, we have to try to do something about the dry throat. Dry throat. In this case, I use 4 herbs for the dry throat. And the next one, we have to think about what to do about the phlegm or the mucus. 3 herbs are being used. The next one, we have to think about how to reduce the cough, and 2 herbs are being used. The last one is the respiratory system. We have to strengthen the respiratory system, and 2 herbs are being used. Now, let me present all the individual herbs to you. There are altogether 11 herbs listed here in this prescription. Let's start with number 1, Xuan Shen. Number 1, Xuan Shen. Number 2, Mai Men Dong. Number 2, Mai Men Dong. Number 3, Zhe Xie. Number 3, Zhe Xie. Number 4, Jie Geng. Number 4, Jie Geng. Number 5, Chuan Bei Mu. Number 5, Chuan Bei Mu. Number 6, Bai Pi. Number 6, Bai Pi. When you see the word Pi here, Pi means skin. So anything that is derived from the skin or the bark, then it's called Pi. And go down there to number 7, another Pi, Qing Pi. Qing Pi. So this looks like the skin of a tangerine. Number 8, Zhi Su Ye. Number 8, Zhi Su Ye. You know that they are leaves, as you can see. So, you see the word here, Ye. Ye means leaf. Zhi denotes the color. Zhi means a little bit purple. So purple leaves. The next one, number 9, Pi Pa Ye. Pi Pa is the name of a plant. Ye is also another leaf. So we have another leaf here called Pi Pa Ye. And we go down to number 9, Bai Bu. Bai Bu. Number 9, Bai Bu. Number 10, Bai Bu. Number 11, Xuan. Number 11, Xuan. Xuan is here. This is Xuan. So, this completes the individual description of all the herbs. How to do this, the herbalist will put together all the herbs in the right quantity for you. All you need is to take the package home, boil it, and extract a solution out of it. And when you get the solution, all you need is to drink 1 cup of the herbal solution a day. The most is 2. This is the end of our discussion about coughing. If you want further details, please read the material printed on the right side of your screen. If you have any questions, don't forget to contact me. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.